There he goes, guys. Maybe the same bunny we ran the other day, but we don't care. She got him way behind him, so I don't know if she's going to be able to catch up with him here or not. Behind him, guys, and that wasn't her fault. That's just the way it all started. Guys, I'm keeping true to my promise today. I said that I run them in the rain, and it's, maybe that wasn't a promise, but it was a statement I made. And just to put some fulfillment on that, it is raining. There it goes, guys. Saw it jump up in front of us. He's just a scotch ahead of us. He's going to come behind this tree, guys. They need to come this way because he went right through here. There you go. While I was clearing some memory for us, it went ahead and come back through. As you can see, it's back over in the woods now, so it has completed a circle. Well, these guys are creatures of habit, but I don't know whether it's going to... Typically, after it's been out once, it moves down a little bit to come out again, but this guy's powerfully looking like he's going to come out. He's done something other stunt on him, double back or something. I had a little trouble there for a second. I'm going to do something different here. There he goes, way over there, guys. He's on beyond the black stuff. He went into the fence line, the far fence line. So he's about 45 yards from us right now. He faked him out here. I'm assuming that's the same bunny we're running. He's across this mud hole from him right now, guys. So this time, instead of coming back out the same way, I thought Bandit was going to hit him out there. That's Bandit. So now you got Bandit, Magnum, and Bonnie. gonna wait till he comes out now. I don't know which way he's gonna come out. See which way he moves here. Hang on just a second. He might come right back out because he's went up the hill. He's moving camera left, so where all this is torn up. At some point he'll come out and jump this fence. Here he comes. Gonna come right at us, isn't he? Boy, he's weaving in and out. That started out with Bandit with a sight chase on him. He faked him out there, guys. He weaved in and he went around. See if Bandit figures that out. Oh yeah. He weaved in there. He's doing one of those cottontail zigzags. There you go. Magnum figured out he went back in. Bonnie got in there and backed him up right quick, so. Guys, this is one hellacious mud hole, and I'm trying to avoid it.